Dalawang video daruin ko. Part 1 at part 2. Laladay ko. Lang. Ito na. Ito na talaga. Joke lang. Cake! Tibidi bop 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 yet yet. Tibidi tibodo beat beat. Ito po ay part 2 na. Kagapon nag-shaken kasi gabi na ron. Ito uwaga po yun. Guys ha? Guys ha? Okay. Guys, ito po guys, isang naraptres. Check. Look. Ha? Ano yun? Anong check? Saan check? Chinek mo ito. Check! Pinatay mo lang pinta! Kaka! Ano yun? Butis gum. God. Uyak naman. Pinaray mo lang daw. Ay! Ikaw ba si Tatam, Jess? Let's put in the motion the other stick. Understand, really okya, alo, okya, tilapia, alo, okya, alo, okra, alo, okra. Ang galing balong, ang galing bangunan, ang galing mo, ang galing bangunan. Check. Bawal mo yung kainin, may rukso. Bawal mo yung kainin, may protection na o. May protection na o, bishop. Hello, may bishop na ito. Check. Isn't it for me? My guide is by you. Is this easy to me? Lalangoy. Lalangoy. Ulit. Check. Lalangoy. Pupunta boy. Pupunta. Tugo. Saan yan? Check. Strawberry check yun, boy. Strawberry check. John. Isama. Meat tomato. Check. Kala niya, Joyce, matatalo niya ako, guys. Guys, hindi niya ako matatalo. So please, mama, ang ikong pasto,
And Rebecca are very good carrot catchers. In fact, Peppa and Rebecca are really excellent carrot catchers. Today, Peppa and her family have come to a special sports event.
I think you might be a bit too little to try these wraps, Peppa.
kainin. Ay, ako po pala.
Peppa is really good. But big ramps are a lot harder than they look.
Ay, sabi mo, matagal ka naman. Bakit? Hala! Ano yun? Ulit naman na ako ng kaya talaga.
Sports event, including
Mas binigyan dyan. Iwas na tayo papanulit. Blitz tayo. Mamaya ba?